Hello everyone, my name is Mrs. Bakari. My name is Dorothy Pawe from Redeemers International School. Please go to YouTube and subscribe for Peter Papa's promotion.
Go to YouTube and subscribe to Peter Piper's promotion.
Please do subscribe. Please subscribe to Peter Piper's promotion.
The Peter Piper's promotion. Thank you.
If you want to improve on your spoken English, please go to YouTube, Peter Piper's promotion and subscribe. Thank you.
Fly away over the mountains, over the seas, where my love is waiting for me. If I had the wings of a dove, if I had the wings of a dove, I will fly away.
Hi, and thanks for joining us. This is Michelle Piper and Peter Piper Promotions. Here you have it. We're at Redeemer School, and we just successfully installed a language lab for them. What did I tell you about our language lab? Yeah, that's true. It's a lab that helps you improve the quality of your spoken English. Come and take a look for yourself. Good afternoon. How do you do? So can you tell me a little about what you've been doing so far?
We are learning about how to pronounce the word through Peter Piper promotion.
And how do you see it?
Well, we thank God it's a welcome development.
Do you think this is really cool?
Definitely well. It's cool and it's going to help us in speaking English language in the school.
Awesome. Thank you very much. I do hope it helps you too. There you have it. And there are lots and lots of beautiful endorsements from our friends around the globe. Let's check out someone else. Hello, madam.
Hello, Michelle.
How do you do?
I'm fine, thank you.
So what do you think about this pronunciation coach?
Well, it has helped my vocabulary. It has also improved me. I can now speak in the right diction.
There, you have it. She can now speak in the right diction. What are you waiting for? Join us now. Peter Piper Promotions. Subscribe to our channel. See ya!